Today we are going to go kayaking at the Galien River Marsh. I've heard that it is pronounced all those different ways. And they also have a kayak rental here if that's something you're interested in doing. But this apparently goes all the way out to the New Buffalo Harbor on Lake Michigan, so it sounds pretty fun. It's right off Route 12, right past New Buffalo, Michigan, so it's pretty easy to get to. We are kayaking in southwest Michigan, and we're on our way up to the New Buffalo Harbor on this beautiful river here right outside New Buffalo. So I'll show you some of the highlights of this little trip. We're told it takes about an hour to get to the New Buffalo Harbor and about an hour back to where we found a very easy launch right off Route 12. Well, it was Red Arrow Highway. Here's kind of a fun part on this. You go right under the highway under that tiny bridge. You kind of have to do the limbo under there or scoop over and get under it. It's kind of fun. There's the traffic. You can hear it. Kind of have to stoop under when you go. It's really cool under here. But I did find that I am short enough that I can actually sit up. Can you hear the traffic going up? Okay, we are just about back from where we started, and overall this is a really cool paddle trip. So where else can you go? It's not very far, maybe an hour down. We ended up at Lake Michigan. We ended up in the New Buffalo Harbor, got to watch some really neat boats and see the city park or whatever that is down there, and came back through some really neat marshy areas. So I highly recommend this. It's very easy access, and just put your kayak in and have a nice little trip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos.